where birds sleep.
Nest, nest, nest.
Super.
N is for nest. O is for round and round.
Orange, orange, orange. Correct?
O is for orange.
P is for oink, oink, oink.
Crick, crick, crick.
Hooray!
P is for pig. Q is for a ducky sound. Quack, quack, quack.
Well done.
Q is for quack. R is for hop along.
Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit.
Good job.
R is for rabbit.
S is for big and hot.
Sun, 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 sun. Spot on.
S is for sun.
T is for tall and green. Tree, 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 tree. Amazing. T is for tree.
U is for in the rain.
Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Fantastic.
U is for umbrella.
V is for zoom, zoom, zoom. Van, van, van. You're right. V is for van.
W is for big blue sea. Wow, wow, wow.
Great work.
W is for whale.
X is for take a picture. X-ray, 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 X-ray. Clever you.
X is for X-ray.
Y is for a sunny color. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Excellent. Y is for yellow.
Z is for black and white.
Zebra, 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 zebra.
You did it. Z is for zebra.
You know your ABCs. High five.
That was so much fun. Please subscribe so I can see you again soon.